Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on exporting cross-section drawings to PDF in ESurveyCAD. In this guide, you will learn how to export cross-section drawings with templates as a PDF. Let's begin. After creating cross-sections in ESurveyCAD, click on the Print button. In the Print Sections in CAD window that opens, select the Multiple Sections option. Enter the From Scale and to Scale values. If required, adjust the horizontal and vertical scales to generate cross-sections with different X and Y scales. The program will display how many cross-sections will be generated. Click Yes in the message window to proceed. Now the Preview window will open. In the Preview window, configure the required settings, set the left margin and right margin. Define the gap between the cross-sections. Specify the number of cross-sections per row and per column. Set the gap between the drawing template. Also, mention how many templates should be arranged in a row. Next, select the previously created drawing template by clicking on the triple dotted button. After entering all the values, click on the Apply button. You will see the newly generated drawing with the selected template. Repeat and adjust the settings until you achieve the desired output. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can save it as a drawing file by clicking on the Drawing button. Or export it directly to PDF by clicking on the PDF button. That's it. You have successfully exported cross-section drawings to PDF using ESurveyCAD. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449-599709. Thank you for watching this video.